Oh, you have to wait a bit, no?
Yes.
My pee have to wait a bit, no?
For what? Why you want to wait?
To pee.
Why you want to wait?
A bit, just a bit, because every time my pee want to pee.
Oh, really?
And I don't want. And I
Oh,
have to take care of
what
him.
a shame.
What a shame. I sometimes I have to wait because my beat don't want to pee.
What is the bit?
my pee want to pee a bit. No?
Yes. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Also,
Puta merda.
also
We have to
tonight.
shut up because pet is hijo de puta. No?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, shut up. Because tonight is 4 o'clock in the morning and we have been in the beach
Puta
to
merda.
drink.
Today
But
today I told myself I will not go out, I will not drink. But I'm drunk, and I went out. I went out and I'm drunk.
Yeah,
Puta.
because we don't have power, my friend.
We have no power, we are very weak
Yeah.
and okay.
Yes, because yesterday night we went out and tonight also we are drinking.
And tomorrow I'm sure we will go out again.
No, tomorrow is a relaxing night at
No,
home.
it's not. I'm sure it's not.
No, okay.
Someone will call us. Okay, let's go
Let's go-
out.
let's-
Just a bit. No,
let's
no,
drink.
it's not a bit. Don't believe it's a bit. Never. Bit is bitão.
Bitão?
Bitão chao.
Bitancho? What is Korean? Annyeong?
It's not.
Oh,